Hello everyone, welcome back to Roger Journal. I'm Alice. This video is the last Porto travel journaling process. As you know from my last video, the Porto travel notebook was finished, but I still had left some photos and ephemera from the travel that I really wanted to document, so I decided to journal with them in my personal journal. So this is like an additional journaling on Porto travel. So this day, I journaled in 3 separated pages because this journal was almost finished too. Actually, it is fully completed now, so I think I'm gonna do a flip through video of this journal next week, since I have gotten lots of comments and emails that you are really waiting for it. So, on this page, I added this photo that I took in a palace with washi tapes at the bottom and the top, and I am fussy cutting a floral bouquet washi tape. I wanted to add a label, but I couldn't find a place for it, so I added another label to write the date at the top. Then I layered more white washi tape so the green washi tape blended with the background pattern better. Now I found places for the label, so I'm copying the date and the name of the palace from the receipt. Before I move on to the next page, I journaled first. This is the second page. I wanted to add pictures in the restaurant on the left page. First, I drew a frame with a white gel pen on the edges in the photo. This is super simple to do, but it adds much interest to the page and helps the photos blend into the page. Then I added white washi tape, but I tore the edge just a little bit because the photos had imperfect hand-drawn frames, so the ripped imperfect edge went well with them. I'm adding photos with double-sided tape, and I did the same for the business card, but I trimmed it at the bottom a little bit. Since this page's background color was black, I wanted to use white gel pen more, so I added some dots on the edges. I moved onto the next page. I glued a memo paper for a journaling space and added a photo of Night Street on it. Then added the decorative washi tape piece at the top. This is the last page. On this page, I wanted to add this gorgeous photo from a pamphlet. This is the staying palace that I documented on the first page this day. This was my favorite place in Porto. So I backed the photo with indigo blue color paper and added a flower die cut on the corner. By the way, I inked the die cuts because I thought they were a little bit too whitey for the page. So this is how the page is done. I love the torn edges. I hope you enjoyed this journaling process video. I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be the flip through of this completed journal. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.